Today's lesson is on Sonia Sotomayor. She was born on June 25th of 1954 in New York City, and she grew up to become the first Hispanic Supreme Court Justice in the United States. Today, she sits on the highest court in the land, and she's an inspiration to other Latino and Hispanic children in the United States. She grew up in the Bronx. Her mother was a nurse at a methadone clinic. Her father, who passed away when she was 9, was a tool and die worker. At age 10, she decided to become an attorney. Her inspiration, Perry Mason, the TV show. And in 1972, she entered Princeton University on a full scholarship. She excelled in school, and she worked really hard to increase representation of minorities on campus. She graduated summa cum laude. Same year, she married her high school sweetheart. After graduating from Yale Law School, she worked as an assistant district attorney under New York County District Attorney Robert Morgenthau. And at 25, she started getting that reputation for being a tenacious prosecutor. For a little while, she worked at a corporate litigation practice group, but it wasn't enough for her. She had her elementary school dreams to fulfill. She wanted to be a judge. And in 1991, President George H.W. Bush appointed her to a seat on the U.S. District Court of the Southern District of New York. When she was confirmed by unanimous consent, she became the youngest judge in the Southern District and the first Hispanic federal judge in New York State and the first Puerto Rican woman to serve as a judge in the U.S. federal court. And then in 1998, she became a judge on the U.S. Second Circuit Court of Appeals. But you all know what happened next. On May 26, 2009, President Barack Obama nominated her to become the next Supreme Court Justice. He made his announcement. He said the following. He praised her for her rigorous intellect, mastery of the law, and ability to hone in on the key issues and provide clear answers to complex legal questions. She was confirmed as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court in August 2009 by the Senate, the first ever Hispanic to serve on the U.S. Supreme Court.